Hey man, I missed you.
How's everything?
We're gonna go hang out.
Are you going to our bathroom?
We're gonna go to your bathroom.
I take the video camera and go take a picture.
No, thank you. No, they have it. I want to see all you boys get up and do that dance. Come on, guys.
They're running sandals too. Damn.
Where's Dodge out there?
Hiking.
Hey, can I get one more of the What? Oh, it's so cold. Getting up was harder than running. Wait.
The next race, adults.
Everybody, open mix. There's 7 teams in a boat.
She's on the rest of it. She is one of the team.
All right, girls in the front, guys in the back. Jeffrey, stand up. Move to the end. All right.
Mitchell, we can't see you. Can you move closer to the front?
What? Move towards the other hand. Yeah, okay. Mitchell. All right,
Now we
this
can't
way.
see Jason.
Alex.
You see, I have to pin.
Move to the, move, yeah, right there. Right there is perfect. All right, right there. Hey. Wait.
So this morning we had 16 races, and this afternoon we have 18. Our last race is scheduled to go off at 4:39.
All right.
One more picture.
It'll take a minute or 3.
I don't know where to put my hand.
Who's yawning? Is that Austin yawning?
DQ team, right? 1, 2, 3, DQ.
Wait, one
2
more.
out of 3 races. DQ.
That excuse only works for your dad, man. It doesn't work for you. Come on.
You tangled up here? Maybe one baby trace.
Oh, Kristy
They do.
We're here.
Somehow those women look like they're like a couple of sizes bigger than me. Wait, are we this race?
Yes. You got Columbia. Let's go. No excuses.
Wait, do we have
Let's
our
go.
paper?
Susan, where's the paper?
What?
The roster.
You didn't bring it with you?
No. Sorry.
I mean, stay and wait for it.
No, go ahead. I will bring it.
Should I call it 64? Yeah, 63. Who are we missing now for 63? Right there, Hong Kong School. Okay. Fusions here.
Show your wristband.
So you're Hong Kong alum and T1
ETO's already gone. We are on for you.
I think using the back, the timing is different, right? Like it actually requires more time to use your back. And so I think that's
Cornell. Jerry.
Where's your water? Lord, we don't have water. Good job, guys. We drank all the water we had. Good job. You see the kid? You see those kids with the white shirt?
Yeah.
The ones with the children, whatever. I think we got it over. They look like a wimpy team.
So this is how they line up?
None of them. So you see this?
Yeah.
I think we could beat them. They look like a younger kid girls. I don't know about this team. They're pretty at the Hong Kong school. A lot older, more experienced guys.
The Hong Kong buffet, they went from lane 5 to 1 in another race. Also, they crashed too. I'm just saying, when they went on forward, they crashed in the finals. They got DQ. Buffet. Oh, maybe that's all the group is racing too.
How many teams are there? Those guys didn't start yet. It's like how many? You've got a lot of guys down there already.
I know.
Starting? What, it's like 7, 8 teams?
The assembly line.
Oh, it's huge.
They go order after order.
So wait, they're starting from there this time?
That's the 500 meters.
And then where are they finishing?
Same place down there. You see
Oh
those?
man, this is a long race.
No, we used to race the 1,000. This is 1,000 meter.
For them, it's long. Come on. You gotta. I don't want to be the odd guy. You got 12 already.
No.
Columbia program. He wasn't home the whole.
I know. That's great. That was excellent.
That was a good program.
Investment bank. I know. Yeah.
But
and they had good teachers, and they taught them well. Then.
Well, they had good corporate sponsorship. So I couldn't, like, you know, we want to do that. He hasn't been home much, man, to play this summer. Lately, he's been getting back because he needs to take the ACT.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Matt's on the boat.
Matt
Moy. You remember?
Oh,
he was on our team.
Oh, really? Yeah. Beast.
That team's losing steam. The first boat.
He signs up for beach volleyball, so we all got to sign up.
Oh,
so
really?
Every Sunday night we got to go to beach volleyball. And, hey, that's how it should be, right?
Yeah, he has his own sailboat. Hey, I DQ'd. I steered.
Get all that water out.
So.
Gotta get all that water out. Add its extra weight.
This is our youth group, the community.
Oh, wow.
So.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. You still living in the city? Or?
No, I live in...
Yeah, we messed up at the start. So.
Yeah, but you came back.
Yeah, but we still
Did you come in first?
No, we came in. We were the next lane. We came in second.
Oh, you came in
that's okay. I don't need it.
He's got this
Yeah,
one.
I have. Not pink.
That was an amazing race.
It was a tough one.
I was cheering for you.
I heard yelling. I heard screaming.
Loud as I could. So we got a bid. Do you want to give? No, not yet. Where'd they go? We're over here.
Cecilia. When we were practicing, we had the front load. It was too front. and then I couldn't control the boat even more. But now in the middle of the boat, it's more.
It's more centered.
Brian, what'd you say? The boat's so high. Ask them to return the boat. Ask them to know the boat.
Why, you want a seat cushion?
Is this the line? What's attached to this one? Are we on fine now? It's attached to this one. You guys can start going down. Jackets. We're going to find that one. Kevin, we need to know which boat. They got him. They got him.
Red jacket, guys. Good luck.
Hold water. She's trying to get on. All right.
All right, lean in. Good luck.
Good luck here.
Watch the boat coming up behind you. Watch the boat.
This is Doje's first time.
Con Edison, can we have you guys come down next? Con Edison.
Uh-oh.
Wrong way, wrong way.
Uh-oh. I don't know if we're going to be able to do this here. Doje's got to move the boat. Doje's got to do something with the boat.
That way.
Oh, this is... See, Doje's not he's doing anything.
He'll figure it out.
No, normally you can help turn the boat. Oh, he's turning the boat. That's going out. It's going right. That's right.
I'll give him a chance.
Yeah, he is doing good.
He's got to take that oar out. That's too deep in the water. He's steering. Going to put a lot of drag on the boat that way.
Yep. They're good. Look at them. They're good. Yeah, look at them. They're good. He's doing it.
He's doing it. He's doing it. Good. He's getting down too. They know where they're going, they line up.
Yeah, they got the number.
This team is fast.
Oh, did they win?
I think they came in pretty fast. They were quick.
Oh, they look like pretty sad there.
Where are they lining up? Over here? I thought they were down there. What, they're lining up over here? I thought they were racing over there. They are.
This is 250. This is 250 meters. That's a 500 meter race.
Yeah.
This is 250.
They were doing 250?
No, not in 250 yet.
Oh, okay. I thought they were doing a 500.
Oh, they're going up there. Here they come. They're moving up. You see how our start is.
See how strong these guys start out.
We have no practice, no commitment, there's no.
Come on, you gotta give them a break. They've done well so far.
Well, no, I mean, I know what level they need to be at, but we haven't practiced the start.
Yeah, so there you go. You gotta give them A for effort, man. E for effort.
Yes, depending on where you come from. If he's playing golf for the first time, I would feel the same way. This is gonna be nice. Wow, they came out fast, this boat. Lane 3.
That's okay, they got tired out. Hello? They're coming out. They're at the end. They're like the second boat at the end. Yeah, like the sixth boat. Look, you see this too all the way at the end? Like when you're looking at them? No, they're racing right now. They're all the way at the end. There's 7 teams or something like that.
Oh, nice. They're burning. They're burning. The muscles are burning.
Look at that. They're keeping up. They're keeping up. It's a close race.
Now
they're sprinting. Come on. Come on.
Jeffrey boy. They got to keep up.
Come on. Let's go. It's hard to see at angle. Who's like,
no, you can't tell.
It's a close race, though.
I should be. I hope so. They're tired. They're tired. They're all dying. They're all dying. They're dying.
No, they're tired. Let's see who's gonna fade out at the end. It looks like they're very close, man. Come on, guys.
See that buoy there.
They're good. They're good. They're not lagging behind. That's good.
Who stops first? Who's stopping first? The blue, they're still going.
Still going.
Blue's still going. Oh, they stopped.
They're done. The blue's gone. Red.
Oh, the yellow's done before them.
The yellow?
Yeah, they're third, I think. At the best, they're third. So.
They beat the guys on it?
No, the outside lane beat them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys are going to move on. Left side blue.
Joyce and Edwina.
Sorry.
Stacy and Carol. Judy and Emily. Betty and Angie. Anna Maria.
No, left is here. Left is here. Oh, you're scaring me.
I want you guys back up with your boat into the boat.
Oh. Righties are here. No, I'm letting you wait till you go with the knockout.
Orange. Left side orange. You guys
Look at, see your son, Alex is dying there. They're dying. Hey, great job, guys. Doje.
Good job.
Third or fourth?
Fourth? All right.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Who they